Hi, third grade. This is Mrs. Thompson here with you today with your phonics and word study lesson. There will be 3 lessons each week, and you will be responsible for turning in your activities by the end of the week. Today's lesson is about recognizing and saying consonant clusters that blend 2 or 3 consonant sounds at the beginning. These are called onsets. Your target today is I can recognize and say consonant clusters. All right, so we have some words here. I want you to read the words with me when I say waterfall. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Closet, drink, freeze, glance, plenty, stream. Boys and girls, what did you notice about all of these words? Yes, you notice that they all had consonant clusters at the beginning. CL for closet, DR for drink, FR for freeze, GL for glance, EL for plenty, STR stream. These are called consonant clusters, and they're called onsets because they're at the beginning of the word. Do you know any other words that have consonant clusters at the beginning? Yes, group. I heard someone say glow. Story, you're right. Sleep. Spring. Oh, yes, split. Awesome. Those are all words that have consonant clusters at the beginning. Today, you are going to make words using these 2 lists. These are your consonant clusters. You're going to put them together with the word parts that go at the end. For example, maybe some of you thought about BR and UNCH going together because you're probably a little hungry right now. BR and UNCH would be brunch. You're absolutely right. I saw TRA right here and IP. You can put those 2 words together and you have trip. So boys and girls, experiment. Experiment with the beginning parts of the word and also with the ending parts by putting them together and making new words. I want you to say the words as you are putting them together to see if they make sense, if these are words that you know. Play with them until you get a list of words that you are comfortable with and that you know that these are words that you have, these are solid words that you have put together. You are going to put this information in your Google Classroom and submit it by the end of the week, unless your teacher tells you to submit it earlier. It's been awesome working with you, boys and girls. See you tomorrow for your next word lesson.